Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, report of the Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters on the Legal Education Consolidation, etc. Act Amendment Bill 2021. Mr. President, the Senate, at its plenary sitting on Wednesday, 6th October 2021, deliberated on the general principles of the bill for an act to amend the Legal Education Consolidation, etc. Act by establishing the campuses of the Nigerian Law School and for related matters, consequent upon the lead debate presented by the sponsor of the bill, distinguished Senator Smart Adeyemi, representing Kogi West Senatorial District. After extensive deliberations on the bill, the Senate, in its wisdom, referred it to the Senate Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters for further legislative action by Senate Order of Referral dated 11th October 2021, mandating the committee to report back with its recommendations. In summary, Mr. President, the objective of the bill itself was to amend the law establishing the Nigerian Law School way back since 1962 with only one campus, and that was the Lagos campus. And it is important for me to emphasize, for the understanding of our distinguished colleagues, that since that law was enacted in 1962, there had not been any other law amending the provisions. In other words, the additional campuses that were established thereafter by different administrations were only done administratively without any law backing such establishment of additional campuses. So for the first time, Mr. President and distinguished colleagues, the Senate, via this bill, is amending the law to accommodate the establishment of additional campuses. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, it should be noted that in line with the committee's resolution to conduct public hearing on this bill, the committee on Monday, 15 November 2021, conducted the public hearing, which attracted a huge turnout of stakeholders. And I am moving, because of time, to our findings and recommendations. And Mr. President, that would be that would be on paragraph 6 on page 9 of the report. Page 9, paragraph 6. Having regard to views canvassed at the public hearing and our subsequent analysis of presentations, we hereby make the following observations and findings. 1, that stakeholders expressed divergent views for and against the passage of the bill. While the majority supported its passage with further amendments, a cross-section of them opposed its passage. 2, that whilst acknowledging the basis for the opposition of the bill by some stakeholders, it is imperative to note that the Council of Legal Education is a creation of law. However, the Nigerian Law School is being regulated by the Council by virtue of the powers conferred on it. Therefore, this proposed bill is intended to ensure that creation of additional campuses should be well guided and on need basis, and not at the discretion of certain authorities. 3, that in view of the exponential increase in the number of law school graduates from our universities and even foreign universities, coupled with backlog that existed over the years, this legislative intervention measure is not only apt and timely, but paramount. 4, that without prejudice to the establishment of the law school campus in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, the provision for additional campuses in the 6 geopolitical zones of the Federation in this bill is appropriate, as it has not tampered with the 7 existing campuses established by administrative responsibilities of the Council of Legal Education. 5, that the existing campuses are overstretched and the infrastructures are not enough to accommodate thousands of law students graduating from the universities. 6, that apart from the statutory requirement for the creation of additional campuses, it should be strictly on the basis of need assessment and fulfillment of other indicators, such as convenience and accessibility by lecturers, staff, and students, availability of office, lecture theater, and hostel facilities, proximity to courts and law offices. And 7, that the federal government should, as a matter of priority, provide adequate resources for the funding of the infrastructural needs of the law school campuses across the country. Our recommendation. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, the Senate Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights, and Legal Matters, to which the bill was referred, having considered same, do hereby recommend as follows: that the Senate do consider and pass the Legal Education Consolidation, etc. Act Amendment Bill 2021 as amended. I so submit, Mr. President. And finally, we wish to use this opportunity to thank the President of the Senate and our distinguished colleagues for the opportunity to serve in this capacity and to respectfully commend the passage of this bill by the Senate. Thank you.